Instagram has introduced an exciting new feature that allows you to send HD photos directly through the app. If you're wondering how to do this, follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed. Update the app through the Play Store or App Store if needed. Now, open Instagram and go to the Direct Messages section. Next, open the chat where you want to send an HD photo. Tap the photo icon located in the bottom right corner to upload an image. Find and select the photo you want to send. After selecting your desired photo, look for the HD icon in the top right corner of the screen. A notification will appear informing you that you can now send clearer and higher quality images. Tap the Try It button. Finally, tap the Send button in the bottom right corner to share the photo in HD. Your recipient will now receive the image in high quality. When you open the photo, you'll notice an HD icon in the top right corner, indicating that the image is high quality. Please note that images not in HD quality cannot be sent as HD photos. Let me repeat the process and show you that you can select and send multiple photos in HD resolution at once. The process is exactly the same. And that's it. You've successfully sent HD photos using Instagram's new feature. I hope you like this feature. For more tutorials and tech updates, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.